Hi, Alexandra. How do security cameras work?
That's a great question. Luca, the office dog, and I are here to answer it for you. And it really depends on what type of security camera you're getting. You have your large commercial systems that are typically recorded on a digital video or a network video recorder. Those are a little bit more expensive. They're hardwired, but they provide really high quality video and lots of storage for the footage afterwards. So if you were like a bar or a restaurant, you want to go back and see what employees were doing on Saturday night, you'd have a zoom in of the cash register. It's a more complex, expensive solution. Residential security cameras have actually gotten really cost effective. So you can simply plug them into power, either interior power outlet or if it's an outside camera. Typically, you want to snake a wire inside the house, drop it down, and plug it in. But in either case, they have power, and then they communicate to the recording infrastructure over Wi-Fi. So most of the security camera manufacturers, Arlo, Nest, Honeywell, these cameras all are motion activated. So once they're powered, they're up and live, they're motion activated. Somebody walks up to the camera, it knows something's in front of it, and it starts recording clips. And those clips are stored in the cloud that you can then record later. Most security cameras have an app that go along with them so that you'll get a notification when something happens on your camera for you to watch. And then most of them have storage for those video clips, but some of the companies charge you more for more storage. It just sort of depends on their pricing and packaging.